so you know you're recording on that one.
You know, while we waiting, can you help me with the trail stop? Because I cannot figure it out. The auto trail stop.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. What do you sure, I can help you with it. Do you want to share your screen, or you want me to? Well, obviously I'm sharing my screen. What do you? Okay, I could. What would you like to?
It's just
How can I assist
so
you with
like
it?
on my 6 ticks ATM strategy.
Okay,
And then move makes me a break even.
okay. So here's the thing.
I tried all kinds of things, everything, and I just can't get it.
Okay, okay, no problem. Hold on a second.
I've been manually moving it, but
Okay, no problem.
sometimes I like.
Yeah. You don't wanna mess around with that. So mess around with manually moving it because you want everything to be mechanical. So let's do this. All right. So I'm here. Edit the stop strategy. All right. So I don't have a auto trail on mine. So are you understanding? Do you understand? Do you understand what? Okay, step one. Do you understand how it works and like once with the profit trigger and the frequency?
I guess I'm thinking about the stop strategy. I see now you have this the auto break even.
Yeah.
I was trying to do a trail. I guess it's not a trail. It's a auto break.
So what do you want? Do you want okay? So the auto trail is designed that as price makes higher highs and higher or lower lows, as price is moving in your direction and making you more profitable, your trail, your stop trails price, and then the market takes you out. The market takes you out. So what do you want just one? So that means that your stop is trailing, it's moving, it's going to continuously be moving based on your parameters and your frequency. Or do you want an auto break even where your stop just moves just one time and you're good? So
it's just the auto break even, just to make me. So when I hit the first target, it automatically
moves.
Puts me at break even.
Okay, cool. So first thing foremost, what is going to be your risk parameters? What's going to be your risk parameters? Are you going to be at 6 ticks, 7 ticks of risk your initial trade? Where you at?
Yeah. So my initial trade was the 7 ticks of risk, and then on that first trade, if it hits first target, then it goes up 6 ticks. I've been using that.
Okay. So let's break that down. So first and foremost, I think based on experience, because man, we're the market's volatile and this thing is moving. So first and foremost, I think that your profit trigger. So it's saying that once price for your auto trail, once price gets to seven ticks, once price gets to 7 ticks, that your stop is going to move to whatever this parameter is right here, first and foremost. But here's the thing, which I've had issues with. Once price hits 7 and you're at break even, your stop is going to move, but it might not fill you on that trade. It might not fill your trigger because it's first in, first out. You don't know where your order is within the line, within the pecking order of getting filled. So price can hit your T1, your stop moves, you don't get filled, and then price tags you out for a loss, and then it goes in your direction. So what I say is this, what I feel is this: you go 1 tick past your break even.
Okay.
All right, that's first and foremost. Boom, and that I know that makes sense. It makes sense to you because I'm sure you've been hit but no fill. All right.
Yeah.
So we got that. So then now it's simple as you got to be minus. It's got to be a minus. So whatever. So if you wanted that break even, if you want your next stop on this part of your on the second half of your order. So that could be 2 contracts, that could be 5 contracts. If you want that stop on the second half of your order, then it's you want so you wherever price is, you want you want price at 0. You want price at 0. And that's going to be your entry, because here's the thing, it's this right here is from your entry. So if you want price at literally at your entry at break even, then you want it there. You want you want it to be 0. If you want it if you want it 4 ticks below your entry, then it would be this right there. It would be 4 ticks below your entry. So this right here, this parameter right here, the plus is from your entry. This right here is from where, you know, as obviously your profit trigger, where it gets triggered.
We just bounced up your level.
Oh yeah? Dope. Hold on a second.
To the tick.
To the tick, huh? Hold on a second. To the look at that, bro. Oh my gosh, man. That is crazy. Yo, Ivan, did you have an order there, man?
Of course I did. You already know.
Yeah, I know he did. That's all
You know I did.
he did.
Oh my gosh, to the tick, man.
To the ticky tick.
Wow. There you go, man. Scalping. You know what? That's 8 points right there, brother. Jeez. That is 8 points. What, 25 to... Now, now this is where you definitely want to be. A buyer prices came down here. Wow. All right. So I got you squared away. Are you good on that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be tweaking mine. I'm gonna be actually tweaking my my strategy, man. I'm thinking of going 6 ticks of risk, man. Now, for real. On all my strategies. Yeah. 6. I might as well do it now. Save template as contracts 1. Even 2 contracts. Less risk is always better. Less risk is always better. Did you get out, Ivan?
Nah, I didn't. I moved my stop up though.
10 points.
Get hit to this. We do a hard on the highway. Yeah, I think, man, because our trading style, man, like we're in the market off of supply and demand and price action. The auto trail is not good for us, man, because we are getting in with the institutions, man. Like it's very competitive, you know, like this. We're getting in where there's literally no if we're buying, there's no sell order, so price is going to come back there for, you know, institutions to get the remainder of their fill. Price is moving so fast, like we're ahead, way ahead of the indicator traders. So there's gonna be you know, volatility where we're in and out of the market, primarily where we're in. Very competitive. So that's why the auto trail is really not good for us. You want to take that money, either take profit or have it move your stop. Like you see that move right there, that we're just off that level, you know, 10 points, and then back down. And that's from experience. My experience is the best teacher. You know, like that auto trail is not gonna It's not gonna build. It's not gonna build the account. Taking profit will build the account.
Speaking of taking profit, I just did. Got my 10 points.
Yeah, man.
Thinking about placing another order at it comes back down there again.
We talked about this on a live this morning, me and Lawrence, man. How again, just zooming out, again, right here. Price really didn't go nowhere. That news, boom. This is that pullback at 245, and then made a lower low. Just went above here, and we could be going further down. We hit this drop base rally finally. We talked about this on Sunday. We had a class on Sunday. We hit this drop base rally yesterday. It didn't come there on Monday. We hit it yesterday. Didn't really go nowhere. Went below it in the overnight tonight or in the morning. And this thing can, will go. I think it could go down. Continue to go down. So we just gotta
Still never filled that gap.
Still never filled that gap from Sunday night. Hold on. No, that's from last week.
Right.
Yeah, that's from last week. Yeah, I'm like Sunday. No, we didn't talk about a gap. I'm sorry. Still didn't fill the gap from last week. Yeah. And this potentially is the stop run. It potentially is the stop run to go continue down. Yeah. So, man, this could be let's get ready. Let's get ready to make moves. Well, we're gonna hit pockets of demand on the way down. Sounds good. All right. Got this nice. Boom, boom. You gotta get above that for more. All right, so I'm thinking I want to be, if price can get back up here, man, that would be great. Price could get back up here to to this drop right here. I'm really liking this level right here. Yeah, I'm really liking this level up here. So patiently wait, man. Patiently wait. We got a little perspective right here. Top down analysis. We talked about this. So check it out. We there at that rally base drop. But this is the rally base drop right here, man, on a daily. Look at that. That's that rally base drop there on a daily right there. Look at that. Look at that. Playing hard right edge right here. This that rally base drop right here from August of 2022. Price comes up into that level right there. Boom. Price comes up into that level in September. So what? We're right there. We adjust that. That's the rest of the unfilled orders right there, right? Yep. Right there, right above there. Boom. Go moving forward. Hard right edge. Right there. goes a little bit higher. Boom. Hold on. Going forward. That's the supply. So now the rest of those unfilled orders, where are they? They're right above there. Higher into the zone and down. Where's the rest of those orders? Just like literally, but this is a daily zone. This is a daily zone. And we haven't been back since. Oh yeah, we're coming back, came back right there, touched it. There we are. That's it, man. So literally since April, yeah, what's that? April 18th. April 18th, we've been trading in this range. So right here. So that was the high right there. You know, price went a little bit higher right there. That was just, I think that was just a stop run higher, you know, coming in. That was just a stop run, I think, but because we didn't get as high into the supply like we did back in February. So, you know, literally since the 18th, you know, been trading in this range. So we put in that high right there. We're down here into this low, and we're just trading like in this 20, well, in the SPY, it's like a $20 range. You know, 4,200 to down here to you know, 4062. 4062. Yeah. And now we're moving down. Boom. Looking for opportunity here. So we might not. And you want me to, and I'm not recording. I'm not recording on the Zoom yet.
No,
But I could do it though, right? So
yeah, whenever you're ready. This is all going to be edited anyway. So
okay. All right, cool.
I just want different angles, so that way we can, when we chop it up, you'll have stuff from that camera, stuff from that camera, stuff from that camera, stuff from that camera.
Cool.
You're gonna have a whole crap full of reels because we're gonna plug them all in. You got a YouTube page, right?
I don't.
Let's set one up, set up an account, so that way we can convert it to shorts, and then from shorts we can put it on Instagram.
Sounds good. I should do that today. YouTube. Does it take a long time?
No.
How you think this green? How you think? Oh, you know what?
Everything looks good.
All right. Record.
Every angle's good.
Recording in progress.
All right. So we're down here. Yesterday's low, previous day low right here. But yesterday was such a tight range. You know, yesterday was such a tight range. But we have a little gap right here as well on the 1 minute. So price is gonna get yeah, price didn't fill that gap, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah, I saw that. It kind of look like it wicked up, but I guess.
Yeah, it wicked up, but it didn't fill that gap. So we got, you know, definitely you know, a huge imbalance right there. As I said, man, I'm looking for price to get up here, you know, up here to above 41 and make a decision and to execute. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do it.
Like when you know you're making a key teaching point.
Okay. So here we go, right here, man. Look at prices. Price is gonna fill this gap right here. Got a gap at 37 and a half. 37 and a half. You know, that's the beauty of the futures market. The futures market, you know, it's a 23-hour market, so there's very rarely any gaps on this market. Would you think? Would you say now in your experience, Shannon, all gaps get filled?
Yeah, definitely. I was waiting on one yesterday.
On what time frame?
And it was on a 5 minute. It didn't get filled until the day. It was at 41.56.
41.56. Okay. Oh, over here. Okay, got you. But it shot at 41.56. It shot through it.
Yeah, I was waiting. I had a target there, but I moved my stop. I mean, I had one running to that. I took profit, and then I just had one contract running up to that, and then never hit it. So then I moved my stop.
Okay. Let's do it. Patiently wait on this level, man. Patience. We was talking about that this morning. Were you on the live this morning? Well, me and Lawrence, Shannon? Or no?
No, I missed it.
Okay.
I didn't see it until
That's all good. We're just talking what we talk about all the time. Patience. Patience pays. Patience pays. You're saying that, right? You're saying that, you know, you gotta just patiently wait for these levels. So I know this is gonna be like, especially if I'm short right here. If I'm short right here, this might be counterintuitive to what I was talking about in terms of the range, right? The range, like it'll be a trade. It'll be a trade like right in the middle. But like here we are, right here, right? So the sentiment is this right here. We had the news at 8:30. We had the CPI inflation numbers coming out at 8:30. We had that huge that 40 point rally at 8:30. Then we had the open and price just dropped, right? You know, it pulled back to, you know, basically a high on the curve, you know, in relative to the low to the high, and then we made a lower low. So we have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low now. So intraday we have a downtrend. So the path of least resistance is going to be to the downside. So I'm definitely willing to take that, you know, take a short opportunity, low risk, high potential reward opportunity to the downside, right? Trading with the trend. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I got it. I understand.
Cool. Yeah, wait up.
Recording stopped.
Wait till I get an entry. And then I'll go again. Wait till price get up there.
Having fun?
Yeah.
You seem pretty comfortable now.
Yeah, I think this is gonna be dope, man. Bro, listen,
I'm only gonna get better.
Exactly, only going to get sharper. We'll try. I think green is good. We'll try a different one, I would think black and green. Black and green. What you think?
Black, and then we'll try the black one next trip.
I'm saying you always look slick, man, when you do your thing with your shades and with this right here, and it's black. You already know that it looks good, man.
I'm just trying to improve this camera quality, man. That's gonna make the difference, though.
The computer?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
because that has the capability for the streaming. It's built for that. So I got 4K cameras, but I'm not getting 4K quality. And that's what my man is telling me. That's what that's gonna do.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Just wait, man.